Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase wallet to your Robinhood. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase wallet, and from here you have to select the cryptocurrency that you're going to transfer. I'm going to transfer Ethereum, so I will just tap on Ethereum from here, and on this screen you have to click on this send button. After that, you just have to enter the amount, how much you're going to transfer, and then click on this next button. And on this screen you have to paste the wallet address from your Robinhood. So open up your Robinhood app and then click on this crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. After that, you need to click on this search icon at the top of your screen, and on this screen you have to search for the Ethereum or any cryptocurrency that you're going to receive. So I will just type Ethereum and then click on Ethereum from search results. After that, on the screen you have to scroll down and you will find these two options, send and receive. You have to click on this receive button, and then you will get your wallet address. Click on this copy address button and then go back to your Coinbase wallet and paste the wallet address in this area. After that, you will see this little icon or your wallet address. You just have to tap on this option, and lastly you have to confirm this transfer. So make sure your wallet address and the amount is correct, and you also have to make sure that you have selected the same network in your Coinbase wallet and Robinhood. And once you confirm these details, click on confirm, and once you do that, your selected cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Coinbase wallet to your Robinhood. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.